Another explosion has struck another restaurant, this time a well-known traditional eatery popular with government employees was targeted. A car bomb detonated on a busy street near the presidential compound. This explosion occurred during lunchtime, increasing the number of casualties, according to Somali security official who spoke to Anatol news agency. At least 5 people have been confirmed dead, with several others injured.
عندي waxay qabanayeen uuridaas iyo hulacaas kadib markay wixii dameen qof oo dhimasho waa arkayay sidoo kale qof kale isla markaan dale gadaal la sii gelinayo waa dhintay waa arkay.
No group has claimed responsible for the attack. In recent months, restaurant bombing have become the most frequent type of assault in Mogadishu. Government officials have not yet commented on this incident. Earlier in August, an attack on Lido Beach left over 50 people dead and nearly 300 injured, followed by direct assault. While Al-Shabaab's attacks have generally decreased in 2024 compared to the previous years, the group's threat remains significant. Motor attacks and car bombings continue to be daily life for Mogadishu's residents, alongside violence incidents occurring across regions in the country.